guys! I'm Marian, a mom of 3 and young mommy at the same time. So this is my ever first video. So for you, para makilala nyo ako, you have to watch my videos and please don't forget to give a thumbs up and please do subscribe on my channel. So, well, this is my very first ever video. So, as you can see, baguhan lang ako. So, as my videos goes, sa video ko, diba? So, makikilala nyo ako as days goes by kasi I will introduce you will know kung ano yung life ko as a mom. And basically, we're talking about beauties, makeups. I so love makeup, lifestyle, life of a mom, kung ano yung daily routines and everything. But for my ever first video, yung gagawin ko is I'll do what's this? Bubuksan ko yung package na, pasensya, by the way, I'm an Ilongga and I'm from Iloilo. I'm 33 years old. So, ayan siya for a start. So, para makilala niyo ako, just call me Mommy Mar or Marian. That's my first name. Mars, whatever you wanna call me. So, unpackage siya. Magbubukas ako ng package because I just received this ngayon lang this is from Lazada. I ordered this from Lazada. This is the Sunny Face lipsticks kasi marami na nagre-rave about this. And as you can see pala, I got my kilay ink kasi sobrang nipis ng kilay ko. And I'll give you an update on that. So, maybe next na video ko will be on that. Kung paano siya gawin and everything. Kung paano siya, how does it look when it healed. Kasi, bago lang talaga to. Just this morning lang talaga to ginawa. So, medyo masakit pa siya. And medyo mahapde. But, let's see kung anong mangyari after it will healed na after a week. So, back to what I'm going to do. So, I have this package. I ordered this in Lazada just last week. Ilang days lang, mga siguro 5 days lang dumating. So, I have this. So, bubuksan na natin siya. Let's see. Ayun, I've got 4 shades. So, this one cost around 345 per piece. So, I ordered like 4 shades. I just choose yung mga talagang shades na gusto ko kasi for 4 shades, I have to pay like around 1,400 plus the shipping. So medyo kind of pricey siya for a mom like me who have like, you know, 3 kids na inaalagaan. So I have Mood 143, Major, and Girl Crush. I bought this 4 shades. So, I think na kailangan ko lang siya talagang, you know, yung 4 shades na gustong-gusto ko, pinili ko lang siya talaga. But, it comes with 9 shades. So, this Sunny Face na lipis, marami na ako naririnig na good reviews about this. And, I don't know if, you know, marami na nagre-rave about this, na maganda daw siya and everything. So, let's see. Tingnan natin. And also, I love lipstick. So, most of my makeup collection is lipstick. So, pakikita ko sa inyo one of my videos kung ano, what's my collection from very cheap to an expensive type of makeup. For me, expensive siya kasi, I'm a full house mom. So, full-time mom pala. Full-time housewife mom. So, kailangan kong magtipid. Kailangan kong budgetin lahat. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Through the years, nakaipon na ako ng mga makeups and everything. So, papakita ko sa inyo kasi gustong-gusto kong maging makeup artist for your information kasi I love doing makeup for myself and also for others. Gustong-gusto ko yung ma-feel nila they're special and they're unique and they can enhance their beauty through makeup. Okay? So, next na natin yan itatakol. For now, let's have this. Okay? So okay, let's first, binuksan ko yung, what's this? Major. Okay, I don't have anything on my lips. I don't have anything on my face. Just my kilay na pinagawa ko nga kanina. So, this is it. Ayan siya. Okay, that's Major. So, I think it has, ooh, super red. And by the way, your favorite colors ko, when it comes to lipsticks, are super red. Yung talagang bloody red. I'm not really into pinks. And yung gusto ko yung mga dark. I'm into dark lipstick. Ayoko yung mga pink na mga fuchsia. Pinks are not my type of color. So, ayan siya. This is Major. Ooh! I just get my mirror. Wow! This is like super, super red. Ang ganda niya, bes! Ang ganda niya. Super. I like it. I like how it looks on my lips. So, ayan siya. This is Major. Okay. So, soft. Very, in fairness, I like the formula. Magaan siya sa lips. And it doesn't feel tacky at all. Sa bagay, yung mga mostly bullet lipsticks are ganon. And it's easy to remove. Maganda siya. I like a super... Wait lang. I like the color. I like the formula of this lipstick. Sorry ha, medyo hindi siya even. Super lightweight siya sa lip and in fairness ha, maganda siya. And longevity-wise, I don't think it would last kasi bullet lipstick usually don't last. Unless if you wanted to, a lipstick to last, use a liquid lipsticks. Okay? Marami naman ngayon na liquid lipsticks na medyo soft na sa lips. And it really does stay. So, next time, I'll choose my favorite formula for liquid lipsticks. Okay? So, let's see for another shade. Nag-iiwan siya ng stain sa lips. Wrong move. Dapat, yung magsaswatch, you'll start with, what's this? With lighter color para, kasi nag-iiwan siya ng stain sa lips. Look. Okay, nilagyan ko ng powder yung lips ko so that I could swatch ng mabuti and then makita nyo mabuti yung color ng next lipstick na isa-swatch ko. In fairness, I do like the package. It's just simple pero classy. Simple but classy. Yun yung gustong-gusto ko. Sa bagay, I'm not really into packaging. Ayan siya. But, pandagdag ng bonus points if maganda yung package. Okay, next shade is Girl Crush. Ayan siya, parang brownish shade. Siya ng, I don't know, tingnan natin. This is like, ayan siya, Girl Crush. Ooh! Ang ganda! Ayan, Girl Crush. Maganda siya. Super ganda. Okay, I'll apply it on my lips. Okay. Parang brownish, reddish siya for me. But you can wear this as an everyday. You can wear this as an everyday lipstick. Kasi, hindi masyadong matingkad. But, you know, for everyday use, okay to. Same formula, maganda, magaan sa bibig. And this bullet lipsticks comes in, gaano ba siya kalaki? Wait, meron siyang ano dito. Kung gaano siya ka, 3.2 grams. 3.2 grams in this kind of bullet lipstick. Okay na rin. Usually, bullet lipsticks naman, ganyan siya kalaki. 4 grams, 3.2, 3.5. Mga ganyan. So, if you have lots of lipstick na magagamit, matagal mo din naman tong magagamit. So, this is the Girl Crush. So, next, yung 143. Okay. And if you want naman, you can, like, pwedeng lagyan mo, ipat-pat lang muna and then you just pat it on your lips. Okay. Sorry na, medyo dry yung lips ko ngayon. Okay. So, ayan. So, next is 143. Ayan siya. I don't know if you can see it. Okay. 143. Ooh! Parang mauve na ano to na violet na. Okay. Here's the swatch. Ooh! Brownish na purplish yung undertone. Purple yung undertone nito. Let's see. Adjust natin yung lights. Adjust natin yung lights. Ayun! So, you can really see what's the color. Ayan siya. So, 143. Let's apply this to the lips. Oh, ang ganda! Ooh! Ang ganda niya! Ito yung mga bet kong kulay. So, this is 143. Ito yung mga bet ko. Ang ganda niya. Same formula. Walang, magaan siya sa lips. I so love. Ito yung mga talagang gustong-gusto ko yung na mga formula. Yung matte, but hindi mabigat sa lips. Usually, kahit bullet lipsticks, meron bullet lipsticks na mabigat sa labi pag basta matte. Gusto ko yung mga ganito, yung mga powdery. One of those is na bullet lipstick na the best formula ever for me na natry ko is yung kay Pat McGrath. The best. The best talaga. Super, super magaan sa lips. You can't feel that you have lipstick on your lips. Parang ganito din yung formula niya. So, for like dupes, na parang dupe niya, I think Sunny's Face na lipstick would be nearest dupe on that lipstick. So, I'll take this up. So, this is 143. So, I think this would look good on Morenas too. Hindi ako maputi. Middle tone lang ako. So, this one will look good also to any skin type. So, I'll put powder first on my lips kasi nag-sustain na siya. And, I have dry, super dry yung lips ko ngayon. So, dried lips is not good for swatching lipstick. So, the last shade that I purchased is Mood. Okay? Parang, hindi ko alam kung ano talagang kulay nito. But, you know, parang brownish. Let's see. So, lagay natin siya dito sa side. This is Mood. ito purple na may reddish undertone. Yeah, and this one talagang purple with brown undertone. Pasensya na with my kids. Sobrang ang iingay nila. Sorry for my kids. So, mood. Ito siya. Ito yung mga talagang in fairness, I so love all the colors. So, go. Lagay muna natin sa lips. Siguro sa iba, it would parang purplish siya na brown, purplish brown. But wow. Wow, super wow. I so love the color. I thought may pinurchase ako na light, but in fairness, lahat na pinurchase ko is darks. So, maybe I'll go purchase next time around yung mga lighter colors. For now, ito na lang muna kasi ito yung talagang 4 na nagustuhan ko na shades. So, may limang remaining shades pa. Most on the nude sides. Which is, you know, nudes are not really, okay lang. Kasi I mostly use naman dark lipsticks. But, all in all, okay, verdict. I so love the formula. It's so lightweight. Alam ko hindi siya long-lasting, ha? But, maganda siya sa lips, promise. I so love it. Maganda siya. Hindi siya long-lasting, ha? But, formula-wise, color-wise, ang gaganda. And talagang so, pag-apply mo one swipe, andyan na yung color payoff niya maganda, and it really don't feel tacky. Yun lang. So, if you want to go on a lipstick na, you know, affordable, okay din naman siya for a price for $345. Okay siya for it. So, yung, for those na ito yung mood. This is the mood. Ito yung gamit ko, mood. Okay, so maganda siya. So, just kung gusto mong medyo mahal siya, for like, kung student ka pa, or college, or you know, medyo maliit pa yung kita mo, mahal siya. But then it's all worth it. You can purchase naman, like, you can purchase one lighter shade and one darker shade para at least may variations ka. But, if you can afford naman, why not, diba? Kasi maganda siya for a bullet lipstick yung formula. I so love it. So, that's all, guys. So, longevity, hindi siya magtatagal kasi usually bullet lipsticks hindi naman talaga. It can easily take off. Kita mo kanina pag swipe ko, tanggal siya agad. But it remains a stain on the lip. So, ayan siya. So, thank you so much, guys. It's an honest review. Binili ko yan siya sa Lazada. So, for those sana for those na makapanood, kung gusto nyo ng some other reviews, na gusto nyo reviews ng mga makeup, na gusto nyo itry, and if you want me to review that, please, just comment down below, give me a thumbs up, and like this video. Thank you so much, mommies, and to all this people who's watching, and thank you so much. Bye!